Trendyol review. Is this e-commerce platform legit? So, Trendyol is one of Turkey's largest e-commerce marketplaces with a multi-billion dollar valuation. It offers a massive product range across fashion, electronics, and more. The site uses HTTPS encryption and SSL, reflecting basic online security standards. So its pros are it offers authentic platform with major backing. It also has an occasional great deal and quality products. It also has a smooth UX and a competitive pricing for its price. However, it has some common complaints, which is its cons. It is extremely poor with the customer service and the refund process. They have frequent delivery and quality issues as well, and they offer opaque or misleading promotions. And the seller reliability varies widely, and they have a lot of mixed user feedback across multiple regions. They have even accumulative voices where they ordered a jacket with discount but received a shirt instead and refunded only half or at least not even half of the paid money. So is Trendyol legit? Well, yes, it is a real, well-funded marketplace, but that doesn't mean every experience is reliable. It is legit, but it's not really good, so it's proceed with caution.